Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makbool. Please open this book of Cambridge Inspiring Science for grade 1. Please open page number 71 of this book. Today we will revise remaining parts of this back exercise. I am going to revise back exercise of lesson We Need Air. Before starting this work, I am going to ask you short questions. This will help you to understand this lesson. My first question is, can we feel air? Yes, we can feel air when it moves. Can we see air? We can't see air. We can only feel it when it moves. How is air important for living things? Living things need air to breathe. Why does a balloon become bigger when you blow air into it? Air takes up space in it. Let's start this part. B part is here. Look at here. Cross the one option that doesn't use air. 3 options are given here. You are seeing we have to cross one option that doesn't use air. Look at here. Elephant, plants, books. Elephant uses air. Plants use air. Books don't use air. So you have to cross books, this option. Next is this balloon uses air and this toy uses air. When we have to play with this balloon, we fill this balloon with air. When we have to play with this toy, we have to fill this toy with air. So this bat doesn't use air. This balloon uses air and this toy uses air. Look at here, a man, a girl. Both are living things. They use air. Chair is here. Chair doesn't use air, so cross this chair like this way. Next one, number 4th. Check these options. This is windmill. Windmill moves with the help of wind. So this windmill uses air. This hand glider moves with the help of air. So this hand glider uses air. This pencil, I am writing with this pencil. I am using this pencil. So this pencil doesn't use air. So I have to cross this option. Number 5th is a fan, hammer and board. 3 options are here. So this fan and this board use air. This hammer doesn't use air. So you have to cross. Next one is, this is football. This is tube. We fill this tube with air. We fill this football with air. And this is scale. This scale doesn't use air. So you have to cross this one like this way. Okay students, after doing this work, you have to turn next page, number 72. Task is given here. The crossword given below contains the names of a few things, activities in which air is used. Find their names by using the clues and fill the empty boxes. You have to fill the empty boxes after using these, after reading these clues. Look at it. Number 1st that I am reading, we use this in a bicycle wheel for a smooth ride. We use this in a which bicycle wheel to smooth ride, to ride correctly. So which option and which letters you will have to use to fill? Think about it. T dash B. This is tube. T U B E, tube. Next one is a large piece of cloth is fixed to a boat for doing this. This is number 2 is here. Find where is number 2. Look at her arrows going. Look at her arrow is coming down. This is showing you will have to fill like this way. So S dash L dash G. When we use piece of cloth, a boat will do this kind of activity. So I show you picture, you will be able to understand. A piece of cloth is fixed here. You are seeing boat is moving. Wind helps boat to sail. It is sailing. It is sailing. So you will write correct word S-A. You will write here I-S-A-I-L-S-A-I. You will write here A-S-A-I-L-I-N-G. This is sailing. This is sailing. Next one is number 3. We play with this round object. You use to this to play. Look at there. Here this is number 3. Where is number 3? Find it. F-O-L is written here. This thing is round in shape. Look at this picture. This is round in shape. This is called football. We play with this object. This is football. You will fill this football. This round object is called football. F-double-O-T, foot. F-double-O-T. Check spelling. F-double-O-T, foot. B-A-double-L. Next one is number 4. A thing filled with air and used to decorate your house on your birthday. You use this thing on your birthday. This is very easy. B, first letter is B. You can tell me, you can think about it. This is B-A-double-L-double-O-N. This is balloon. Next one is 5th is bird can dash in the air. Definitely bird can. L is written F-L-Y, fly in the air. Okay students, today you have to learn, fill in the blanks of this lesson. We need air. After watching this video, you will be able to tell this lesson. We need air. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.